So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix HBO Max no sound, audio output, surround setting and app device reset. So fix 1 is check basic volume setting. Ensure TV phone volume is not muted. Increase volume using the remote or device button. Try playing another show to determine if the issue is specific on the one video. Second fix is restart the app and device. Close the HBO Max app completely, reopen the HBO Max app, restart your TV, phone, or streaming device. This process resolves most temporary glitches. Third fix is update HBO Max app. Open the App Store or Play Store on your device. Search for HBO Max in the search bar. Tap update if an update is available for the app. Fourth fix is check audio setting. Open HBO Max app. Play any video movie of your choice. Tap the screen or press OK on the remote. Click the audio icon. Select English stereo from the audio option. Go back and check the sound. Fifth fix is clear cache or reinstall app. Go to app section, select HBO Max, tap uninstall or delete. Go to App Store, Play Store, search HBO Max, tap install, open app and sign in. Thanks for watching.